Aquarius, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity, all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illness, physical ailments are at an all-time high, plaguing us at the age of an all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my Fountain of Youth technique. But before that, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page has been a blessing to you, your word is courage. It's time to stand up and to be counted. One of one. Stand out. While everyone is sitting down in the crowd, I want you to stand up. And it'll have all the attention is leading to you because you're the light. You're the example. You're that bold personality that's not scared to be original, not scared to be yourself, not scared to love, not scared to lead. I'm stronger than fear and bigger than any doubt, because fear fears you and doubt is a coward. And once you look it in the eyes, it will run the other way and you continue in your journey of prosperity. I am light and I remain light. I trust in God and I stand tall before every test of life because you always win and you become stronger. Look at in past years and the being that you've developed to be right now. You are a superpower. Blessings come with your own weight and you're ready for more blessings that you can sustain and it'll feel like a feather. Light as a feather, rain, sleet, or snow, because you always stepped up and you didn't cower in the face of tests. And you grew, became wiser through every challenge and stronger, and you became a new being of life. Congratulations. Step up and take what's yours. And also don't give up, because you're also training for the life that you're looking for, been asking for, and you deserve. Love one another, be kind to one another, and love yourself. I love you.